Good morning, bravest dreamers. My name is Kenichi Enda. I'm one of the top performers of JC Premier and I'm the founder of Team Chosen. Anyway, this video is about how JC Premier incentive works. Kasi last Sunday, which is May 13, naganap yung 4th year anniversary ng JC Premier, which is what we call 4th Good Life Summit. After that, sobrang dami na curious sa JC Premier, sobrang dami nagtatanong sa akin, friends from different companies, and they just wanted to know the details of the incentive. So this video is really for the networkers there na gusto talaga malaman kung ano yung meron sa JC Premier. Okay. Anyway, first things first, para maging part ng JC Premier, you need to purchase Platinum Package. And Platinum Package will cost you 15,888. What will you get in Platinum Package? Number one, mamimili ka ng product. You can choose Health Package or Beauty Package, which ang SRP price ng products na makukuha mo is 16,300. And we have another third option. Kung ayaw mo yung Health or Beauty Package, pwede ka mamili talaga ng lahat ng products na gusto mo. Pwedeng puro sabon, pwedeng puro napkin, pwedeng puro lotion. It's up to you. So in short, pagkalabas ng pera mo, may product agad na tanggap. On top of it, the moment na naging member ka na-encode ka na sa system, sa loob ng system mo, JC Premier system, meron ka na agad laman 16,000 pesos worth of buy one take one points. And I will explain that later. So, ganoon lang kasimple maging part ng JC Premier. Bili lang kayo ng Platinum Package, automatically qualified na po kayo makahit ng car incentive or house incentive and travel incentive. Walang ibang requirements, kailangan mo lang maging member ng JC Premier. Wala po tayong hinahabol na rank, wala po tayong hinahabol na recognition. Ang importante, pantay-pantay po sa lahat. Okay, paano ba ang compensation plan ng JC Premier? Number one, syempre direct selling. In terms of direct selling, I would say JC Premier has the highest markup when it comes to product selling. Markup meaning yung retail profit ng mga distributor. You know why? Yung sabon natin, for example, 226 ang SRP. Ang distributor's price natin is 173 pesos. Okay, kanina nabanggit ko, pagka member mo, meron ka agad 16,000 worth of buy one take one points. You will be able to use that every time magpa-purchase ka ng product. So, in short, kung distributor's price ng sabon is 173 pesos, pag bumili ka ng isang pirasong sabon, pwede mong gamitin yung buy one take one privilege mo. So, magiging dalawa, worth 173 lang binayad mo. So, matatanggap mo dalawang sabon. So, para lumalabas, 86.50 lang isang pirasong sabon. And ang SRP price natin is 226. So, pag ikaw retailer or reseller, mahilig ka magbenta-benta, sobrang laki ng retail profit mo sa JC Premier. That's number one. Number two, meron tayong direct sales commission. Meaning to say, pag member ka ng JC Premier, you'll be given an ID number. So, in short, pwede ka rin mag-invite ng friends mo, or kahit sino na maging distributor din ng JC Premier. Pag nag-avail sila ng Platinum Package, which is the 15,888, the company will give you 1,000 pesos referral fee or commission. Okay? That's for each Platinum Package na marirefer mo or ikaw yung sponsor. Number 3, sales match bonus. How does it work? Majority ng network marketing here in the Philippines, we are using binary system. From the root word buy, yung dalawahan. Ito yung naririnig na laging left and right, okay? So, simple, member ka na, mag-invite ka ng isa, meron kang 1,000. Lagay mo sa left, pangalawang invite mo, sumali uli, may another 1,000 ka, lagay mo sa right. So, yung sales match bonus natin, dinidetect lang ni system, basta meron kang isa sa left, at meron kang isa sa right, automatic meron kang 1,500. Ulitin ko, ang sales match commission ng JC Premier is 1,500. Ano kailangan? Isa sa left, isa sa right, meron kang 1,500. And sa mga nagtatanong talaga ng incentive, saan ba nakukuha yun? Yung sales match bonus natin or yung pairing, kada one pair mo, meron kang 1,500 cash. Sa'yo na yun, bulsa mo na yun. Ang malupit doon, meron ka pang 1 point para sa dream house incentive mo or dun sa dream car incentive mo. And, take note, and, hindi or. Pasok pa rin yung 1 point para sa travel. So, i-quick recap ko kayo, no? Pag meron kang isa sa left, isa sa right, meron ka ng 1,500 cash. Sa'yo na yun. Pangalawa, meron ka pang 1 point sa car or house incentive. And, meron ka pang 1 point sa travel incentive. Ang minimum natin para ma-hit yung car or house incentive is 50 match only. 50 means 50 sa left, 50 sa right. Okay? The moment na sumali ka, mag-i-start na po yun. Wala pong time frame when it comes to car and house incentive. Hanggang ma-hit mo, ganun ka generous yung mga may-ari natin. Ngayon, ang running travel incentive natin is Hong Kong, which is 20 sa left, 20 sa right, automatic, pasok na yung requirements mo. And at the same time, kailangan mo pa ng 5 directs. Ulitin ko, 20 sa left, 20 sa right, and 5 directs, pasok ka na sa Hong Kong. Ngayon, aside sa Hong Kong, meron pa tayong isa pang incentive which is ongoing right now, kung saan galing si Boss Joe to check the Cheeto-san, yung product natin, no? Galing siya sa Iceland. Ang requirements lang is 75 sa left, 75 sa right, sales match bonus, sales match yung pair. 75 automatic, pasok pa na rin sa Iceland. Ulitin ko po, sa sales match bonus na kukuha, o dun binibase yung incentive mo. Isang pair, may 1.5 ka, may 1 point ka sa car, may 1 point ka sa travel. In short, pag na-hit mo yung car incentive which is 50 or house or condo, 50 points, automatic, pasok ka na rin sa travel kasi lagpas ka na sa requirements. That's how DC Premier Incentive works. Number 4, meron pa tayong leadership commission. Pag mayroon kang sponsor at yung sponsor mo, nag-sales match bonus which is yung 1.5, so, kada 1.5 nang na-refer mo, kahit mag-isa lang siya, automatic meron kang 300 ng 300. Kada 1.5 nung na-invite mo, meron kang 300, 300, 300. Take note per direct. Okay? Na-direct mo, meron yung direct mong pangalawa, nagwa 1.5 siya, nagsisales match bonus siya, meron ka na namang 300, 300, 300. And lastly, yung pinaka-gusto ko sa lahat, is yung passive sales match, which is the 5th way to earn, no? Yung passive sales match, simple lang. Assuming meron ka ng organization moving left and right, from top to bottom up to infinity level, pinakailalim, lahat ng pinapurchase nila na-accumulate sa system. Lahat ng group mo sa left, na-accumulate yung mga binibili nila, and lahat na na-accumulate ng right, naiipon yon. Okay? Pag umabot ng 100 points, 100 points sa left, 100 points sa right, automatic meron ka na namang 1,500 na bonus. Okay? Paano yun? 100 points is roughly equivalent of 16,000 to 18,000 pesos. Simple. Yung isang leader mo sa left, bumibili isang pirasong sabon, may napkin, basta umabot sila ng worth mga 16,000 sa left and 16,000 sa right, automatic meron ka pang 1,500 passive sales match bonus. Okay. Anyway, na-explain ko na yung buong compensation plan ng JC Premier. Ang importante sa akin is maintindihan nyo kung paano talaga tumatakbo yung incentive ng JC Premier. Ulitin ko for the last time. Isa sa left, isa sa right, meron kang 1,500 sales match bonus. At on top of it, meron ka pang 1 car incentive or house incentive and 1 travel incentive. So, kailangan mo nila ma-hit mo talaga at lahat po pwede, lahat qualified. Wala pong pinipili dito. Hindi mo kailangan maging top performer para makasama sa mga travel incentive or makakuha ng mga kotse. Ang kailangan lang talaga trabahuhin. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and kontakin nyo na lang din po yung mga nag-share nitong video, no? Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan. Napilitan lang talaga ako gawin itong video na to kasi instead na sasagot ako ng sasagot ng PM, ito na lang isisend ko. Okay, pasensya na rin sa edit kasi mabilisan lang to. Ako mismo nag-edit. And thank you so much for your time. God bless.